Hi, this is Matt with InmateSearchInfo.com. Today we're going to take a look at how to find Arizona inmates or other people in the Arizona Department of Corrections system. We're going to use the Arizona DOC inmate data search, which offers two different ways to find an inmate or person in the system or former person in the system. You can search by DOC number, Department of Corrections number, if you happen to know that, or if you don't, you're also able to search by name. Arizona only gives you the option to use a last name and a first initial. So if you happen to have a common last name, as we're going to use here today, you're going to probably get a lot of results. They do give you the option to filter it down a little bit more. So you can choose by gender. You can also choose by their current status, which would be whether they're currently in the system incarcerated, whether they're out of the system, whether they're under some kind of supervision, or whether they are potentially an escapee as well. So we're going to look for active inmates that are in this M. Smith name. And once we hit go, we'll get a list of the results. So again, as expected, we did get quite a few results. We have 5 pages of results to go through, and they don't give you the option to show all the results on one page. So you may have to go through multiple pages to find the person you're looking for. But quite helpfully, they do give you a photo, so that will help with finding the correct person if it's someone who has a common name. You are obviously given the full name, the full first name, middle initials if they're available, so that will also, of course, help. You also get the admission date, that's when they're first entered into the system, and then you do get that DOC number for your future reference. Those DOC numbers are also clickable, so if you click on those, you're able to be taken to a larger profile of the inmate from Arizona. So as you can see, they give you, it's a printable profile if you choose to do that. If you click on the photo, it's a little bit hit or miss. If you click on the photo, though, you should get a larger photo of the inmate, so that will help if you can't quite tell from the small thumbnail. That will certainly help with identifying. You're given additional physical information, height, weight, body build, things like that. And you're also given information about their time in the system. So you're able to see some of these kind of like disciplinary actions that may have taken place, or maybe other credits that are earned going toward their parole or possible parole. And you're able to see some movements and things like that while they've been in the system. You have the location where they're currently incarcerated, if that's applicable to the person, and you're able to see possible release dates based on their current actions and their sentencing. So that's how you find an Arizona inmate. For a link to this inmate page, this inmate search with the Arizona DOC, please visit our link below to our Arizona page. You'll also find step-by-step instructions and additional links to criminal background checks and other related crime activity for Arizona that you may find useful. Thanks so much for watching.